Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the 5 best 4K camera drones in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on quality, performance, price and more. If you're looking for a 4K camera drone that provides ease of use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these 4K camera drone, you can check out the description below. Let's get started. At the number 1 we have the DJI Digital Immersive FPV System with Air Unit Module. DJI FPV Goggles support and record in 720p, 60 fps and feature a 720p, 120 fps HD live view. This high-quality resolution is paired with a latency within 28 milliseconds, delivering a clear view and fast performance. Videos recorded and saved on the microSD card can be replayed instantly through DJI FPV Goggles. The DJI Digital FPV System can be used with analog image transmission, allowing users to switch between AV and digital video transmissions. Pilots can share camera views with other DJI FPV goggles that are set to audience mode, allowing viewers to see what the racers see. The DJI FPV Air unit is equipped with 8 frequency channels, which allows up to 8 drones to fly simultaneously. It has 2 antennas, both of which are receivers and transmitters, ensuring broader signal coverage for reliable image transmission. Standard mode reduces color loss and preserves more original details, improving daytime image quality. In racing mode, the image contrast increases, helping pilots to distinguish obstacles throughout the course. LED mode reduces noise and increases the color saturation on LED lights that are built into racing gates and other obstacles on the track. Enjoy an engrossing viewing experience that places you in the center of a fast-paced FPV racing world. At the number 2 we have the Parrot Anafi drone, foldable quadcopter drone with 4K HDR camera. This drone with a camera equipped with f2.4 wide-angle ASPH lens, HDR, and up to 2.8 times digital zoom captures spectacular 4K videos, Full HD or 2.7K videos 2704 by 1520, and 21 MP photos without loss of quality. Additionally, you have a timer, a burst mode that captures 10 photos per second, and wizards to take over professional settings. The Annafee Parrot drone can have up to 25 minutes of filmed flight time thanks to an intelligent LiPo battery that optimizes its life and charges 60% faster using the power delivery USB Type-C charger. Operating temperature range, -10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. With its ultra-compact and lightweight carbon frame, 320 grams, this quadcopter drone unfolds in less than 3 seconds, reaches a speed of 55 km per hour in sport mode and withstands bullets up to 50 km per hour. Equipped with a Parrot SkyController 3 folding remote control, the Annafee Parrot drone can be located at any time thanks to the activation of your smartphone's vibrator when attention or immediate action is needed, as well as the geofence, Smart Earth, and Find My Drone functions. At the number 3 we have the DJI Mavic 2 Pro drone quadcopter with Fly More Kit combo bundle. See the bigger picture, equipped with a Hasselblad L1D20C camera with a 20MP 1-inch CMOS sensor, the Mavic 2 lets you capture gorgeous aerial shots in stunning color detail, up to 31 minutes flight time, 44 miles per hour max speed, 907 g takeoff weight, 3-axis gimbal for steady shots, 8 GB internal storage, SD card support up to 128 GB. Functions include Active Track 2.0, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, hyperlapse, low noise design, adjustable aperture, HDR photos. With Fly More Kit, comes with 2 extra intelligent flight batteries, Mavic 2 car charger, battery charging hub, battery to power bank adapter, 2x low noise propellers pairs, Mavic 2 shoulder bag. Please update the firmware version of your Mavic 2 to 01.00.00.00 or above via the app Tips or DJI Assistant 2 on a computer before using. After upgrading, you can use the new features such as hyperlapse to experience the super amazing shooting effect of Mavic 2. At the number 4 we have the AUTEL Robotics Evo Rugged Bundle. The evolution of flight has arrived. The Attell Robotics Evo is the world's best compact and foldable drone, designed to go wherever your adventure takes you. Used by award-winning cinematographers and photographers, Evo's powerful 4K resolution camera boasts 60 frames per second for buttery smooth cinematic video. Using real glass optics, Evo captures stunning photos at 12 megapixels with a wide dynamic range for more details and color. Integrated advanced computer vision systems provide forward obstacle avoidance, rear obstacle detection and bottom sensors for more accurate landings and stable close proximity flights. Evo even offers fail-safe features letting you know when the battery is low and when it's time to return to home. The rugged bundle offers a military-grade hard case that protects your gear from water, dust, and damage. The custom-designed GPC foam insert allows space to carry your Evo aircraft and all its accessories in one case. Evo is backed by a 1-year manufacturer's and 7 days a week technical support. At the number 5 we have the Quintixo F24 RC Quadcopter Foldable Best Drone for Beginners. Tons of features with GPS-assisted flight. With GPS location, the Quintixo F24 drone is user-friendly and great whether you're a beginner, intermediate or expert with features like auto return home when the drone reaches low battery or lost signal, auto hover, altitude hold. Record with ease with follow me, orbit mode or waypoints. Also it includes selfie, gesture, headless mode, first-person view, one-key takeoff, landing. Newly designed and engineered brushless motors give your drone a more stabilized in-flight experience. Too many times we have observed other drones and they can't stabilize while in the air. Not only does this give you more control but it gives you more flight time and better power-to-weight ratio. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi adjustable wide-angle 1080p HD camera. Get the full experience flying the F-24 drone when you take the skies, with a 1080p camera that allows you to record and stream your whole fly experience at 3,600 feet flying range. This drone welcomes all experience levels from beginner to experienced flyer, and with all of its features to fly with the best, the F-24 is one of the best and most popular drones of 2020.